Ladies and gents, welcome guys to another live scalping session. I don't want you blinking in this video because we're gonna go ahead and trade high frequency. Basically this is US Tech 100 guys. If I zoom out to the hourly, you can see a big drop in the market, because if we look at the market overall the last couple of weeks, it's been bullish, but now the market wants to kind of break down a little bit. So what I'm gonna do here is just find my resistance, and I'm just gonna put the line right here. I'm using red candles, and I'm using these red candles as my resistance. But because this is bullish movement, any red dip like this can be engulfed really quickly, so I have to be careful. So I'm gonna zoom into 15 minutes. You can see how, yeah, I think this is going to shed here, so I'm gonna open a short position. Okay, so I open 15 contracts short. So this is shedding. To me, this will probably sell off a little bit more, but I won't, I'm not taking extreme, I'm not looking for extreme gains from this. I'm looking just for this candle to break down maybe to here, 21,187. Now how did I end up down to 50 here? Let's see, let's put a stop loss. I'm gonna put 30 point stop just to be on the safe side, because I want to give this enough volatility to fluctuate. I know this is gonna come here because, number one, unless this candle just turns up, touches this, and then sells off, but you need real buyers to flip this candle into green. This is called momentum trading, guys, or reading candlesticks kind of trading. But just don't get caught out, with this kind of style of trading. Sometimes you think you know the outcome, that you've seen it before, and that's where most traders get to lose, is because they think they've seen the outcome before, when every outcome is different in the markets. It's the reality of trading. Okay, so we're looking good here. It looks like it's turning around slowly. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is pause this, and I'll see you guys when it's time to close. This is my entry, if you have a look. So what we're looking for is another a red candle to just dip to this level. It should give me around $500. I'm not gonna scalp this, I think, because the setup is good, and I've already held enough. But I'm gonna just hold it. Look at this. It should retest the bottom, at least here, to 190, and I'll close on 190. Okay, now we're turning green. That's good. So I'll close here where this line is. Hopefully you guys seen what just happened there. So let's see. Come on, son. All right, 150, guys. All right, 150 in the space of 3 minutes. That's good. Now, of course, that's only 10 points. So because this candle is a bouncy candle, so you have to be careful of it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is actually open a buy position here. So I caught it at 2119. I'm actually gonna scalp this one. Okay, so I'll just take whatever it gives me there on the bounce. If it gives me that, let's see. I'm gonna do 5 minutes just to see. Yeah, it should give me a little bit of a bounce here. Okay, 36. $36, guys. We'll take 36. It's better than a loss, right? So we're reaching $200 profit, but I just feel like it could go further down, so I'm gonna open the short here. Again, I'm not opening random points. I know the points. I know where I'm opening these positions from, because there's key levels here at play, guys. All right, $84. That's $200. But remember, the 2190 remains a level of interest for this to go to. You see how I'm constantly changing my points here? It's because the market is forcing me to, because it's just playing different ball game here. Let's zoom in now, 5 minutes. And in every time frame, I'm finding a different setup. So now this setup might actually push this level 21234 before coming down. I think it will. So I'm gonna just open buy position here. Okay, so I opened that as a buy position because I realized this is gonna be one of those dancing candles. where it will go. There it goes, $84 secure. See how quick that was? I lost count of how much we made, but I think you guys are counting. So now it should come to this level. So this is where we said if you find a green candle like this, plus you use that body, and if you have a candle like this, then you would use the wick of it, and you use this. Okay, so that's very good. Yeah, we're reaching that. So here's a buy position opened again because we reached that support level we spoke about earlier, and $200. Very good. So that's around $500 secured, guys, in this trade in just under 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna leave it here. We're gonna leave it at 6 minutes. I'm done trading for today, guys. Okay, we're done here. But we played this very good, I think. All right, $500 using 15 contracts. I can keep going all day long, but that will end. I will enter a gambler mentality and a gambler mindset and a gambler market. I'm not doing that. I'll make my money for today with the target I made, and I walk away. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.